Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off notification in Basecamp. All right. So start by logging into your Basecamp account. And then once done, you can go ahead and go to the top right, click on your profile. And as you can see here, you can now go ahead and easily click on turn off notifications. Okay. Or turn notifications off. Just click on it. And once done, as you can see here, notifications are off. You've disabled all Basecamp notifications. We won't send you any notifications until you say so. All right. Now, if you want to turn it back on, just go to the top right, click on this notification icon with an off word in it. Click on it and then go ahead and click on turn notifications back on. Now, you could always click on turn on focus mode. Okay. Now, when you click on it, it says here, while you're focusing, notifications and orange unread badges are turned off, like the ones you see in here. They will automatically resume tomorrow. Okay. If you want to know how to set focus hours for notifications in Basecamp, you can go ahead and check a video on the channel titled How to Set Focus Hours for Notifications in Basecamp. All right. Well, that's basically it. That is how you turn off notifications. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.